Okay, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, sorry for a little delay here. I hope all of you tried this mains questions past year. Up to 25, 21 to 25. Anybody any doubts?
Sir, 23.
Okay. Yeah, 23, the question is wrong. If you do, some answer will come. Okay. You do the usual method that we do, some answer will come. But question is wrong. Why question is wrong? If you take sum of n terms of an AP, it will be maximum quadratic in terms of n, right?
Yes, sir. Quadratics.
It can't be cubic.
Yes.
And with the given data, we can prove many answers are possible. If you do one particular method, what you have done, you will get one answer, that a given answer. But there are other methods also. So 23 as such, the question itself is wrong. You cannot get in general p cube by q cube. It is not possible. Is it okay for 23?
Yes, sir.
No. Up to 30, anybody any doubts?
Sir, 28.
28. Okay, what is that you are not getting answer, or let me check. That initial one, I can write it as log 3 base 3. And the last one as log 3 4 times 3 power x minus 1. Okay, first term plus last term is double of the middle term, which is 2 log 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 base 9. Okay, the first term plus third term is equal to this. This 9 you can write 3 square, and this 2 will get cancelled with that. You will get 2 by 2 log 3 power 1 minus x plus 2. Okay, log a plus log b is log ab. So you'll get log of 3 into 4 3 power x minus 1. Here log of 3 power 1 minus x plus 2. Log a equal to log b. So we'll get 12 into 3 power x minus 3. This is a power m minus 1. You can write a power m by a power n. So 3 by 3 power x plus 2. You multiply 3 power x. You'll get 12 into 3 power x whole square minus 3 into 3 power x. Or you can bring this side and minus 5 into 3 power x equal to 3. This is a quadratic question. If I bring this also this side, I'll get minus. I can take 3 power x as t if required. Minus 36, minus 9 plus 4. So I'll get correct minus 9 plus 4. 4 into 3 power x minus 3 into 3 into 3 power x plus 1 equal to 0. 12 minus 9 plus 4, yeah, that is fine. This can't be possible because everything 3 power x is positive plus 1, it can't be 0. From this, I'll get 3 power x is equal to 3 by 4. X is equal to log of 3 by 4 base 3, which is log 3 base 3 minus log 4 base 3. Log 4 you can write 2 square, and you can write 2 log 2 base 3. His answer is that.
Yes.
Or they get left it as log 4 base 3 only, 1 minus. That is also not there. You don't have 1 minus log 4 base 3, log 3 base 4.
Yes. Log 4 base 3 are right.
Okay. So we are getting 1 minus log 4 base 3, but maybe he is given something. Okay. We'll correct it. Okay. Especially 2002, 2003 paper, there can be
1 plus log 4 base
1 plus only. Why? Log a by b is log a minus log b.
Also, option 1 plus log 4 base is given.
That's what I'm saying. In 2002, 2003 papers, there can be some typing mistakes. Okay. Which I did not get time to correct it here. Okay. And also 2020 paper, one or two key mistakes there may be, as we discussed quickly. Anyway, 28 actual answer is 1 minus log 4 base 3. Whether it is there in the options or not, second. Up to 30. Anybody any other doubt? Up to 35.
Sir, 33 doubts.
33. Okay. I'm erasing this. Okay, 33. To open that 9 into 25 a square, it is 225 a square plus 9 b square plus 25 c square minus 75 ac minus 45 ab minus 15 bc equal to 0. Okay. Actually, you can take 15a equal to x, 5b equal to y, and no, 3b, and 5c equal to some z. Then this is going to be x square, this is going to be y square, and this is going to be z square. This is nicely xz. 45b is nicely xy, and 15bc is nicely yz equal to 0. Now we all know this is a 0 only when x equal to y equal to z, because this is half of x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square equal to 0. Something square plus something square plus something square is 0 means each must be 0. So we'll get x minus y equal to y minus z equal to z minus x equal to 0, which is x equal to y equal to z. X equal to y equal to z means 15a equal to 5b equal to 3c. Divide with 15 all over. When you divide with 15, it will become a by 3 is equal to b by, no, a by 1 equal to b by 3 is equal to c by 5. So basically a is to b is to c are in the ratio 1 is to 3 is to 5. 1, 3, 5 are in AP. So even if you take k, 3k, 5 also there will be in AP.
Sir, why is 3B?
What? Why only 3b? Huh? That is because 225 a square is there. It is 50a whole square. That's why I took x. 9b square is 3b whole square. Oh, I wrote wrong here. You are saying y is 3b and 5c. So this is 5c. So I'll get 5 here and 3. So it is 1 is to 5 is to 3. So ABC are not in AP. ACB are in AP. Order is different. So ACB are in AP. Okay, up to 35. Anybody has any other doubt?
34.
34. What is this? Sum of 30 terms is yes. Sum of only odd numbers is t. Then you can also get only even numbers also required. S minus 2t should give us common difference, which is s minus t minus t should give you 15, directly common difference. Okay. Okay, I'm erasing this. Okay, S is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 so on up to A30. T is equal to A3 or A1 plus A3 plus A5 so on up to A90. A5 is equal to 27 and 75 is S minus 2T. You can find only S really sum of 30 terms formula, and this is also in another AP with a common difference 2D. You can even find this and then simplify it, but I want to show it another way. I want to write this as S minus T minus T. What is S minus T? All the even terms, that is A2 plus A4 plus A6 so on up to A30. And only T means A1 plus A3 plus A5 so on up to A90. These are also 15 terms, these are also 15 terms. What is A2 minus A1?
D's.
D. A4 minus A3, D. A6
D.
minus A5 also D. Like that we'll get 15 D.
15 D's.
15 D is 75, so straight away common difference is 5. Put that in the 27 equal to A4 as A plus 3D. Then you put 5. This is 22. Sorry. This is 5. D is 5. 15. So we will get A is also 5, you are saying?
A5 is
Oh, this is not
A5 is 20.
A5. Thanks. This is
Sir,
4.
why to do like that? Sir, 27 plus 5D we can do easily.
What is it they want anyway?
10th term, sir.
They want 10th term. So then I did not see the question. Okay. Once you get the common difference, if you want the 10th term, from the 5th term you have to go by 5 steps. So it will be extra 5D. So A5 plus 20. If somebody did not get this idea, they can find A value first term by using this equation and then directly find the 10th term. If somebody says we did not get an idea to write S minus T, then I told you find S separately, T separately and substitute it. I'm sure you will get 15D again. Okay. For example, only S would have been 30 by 2 into 2A plus 2090. And only T would have been, first time is A only. Okay. Common difference is 2D. So I should write to, what is that, 15 times. 15 by 2 into 2A plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 2D. If you simplify this also 38, this also 38 cancel. This is 15 into 29, this is 15 into 28, would have got 15D. Okay. If you did not get idea to write like this, you can do write like that also, but here it is more easy to see. Anything else up to 35?
35.
35, okay. Okay. 35. A square, B square, C square are in AP. Then which one are the following? Okay. Of course, you have to try about each option. But I can write B square minus A square equal to C square minus B square. That is B plus A into B minus A. C plus B into C minus B. Okay. It's just a matter of just getting idea only. Okay. I want to write this one as C plus B minus C plus A. I added C here, C here. This I want to write add a, c plus a minus b plus a. Okay. So this I added c here, added c here, added a here, added here. I want to divide the whole thing with a plus b into b plus c into c plus a. Now here a plus b will cancel. In this also will cancel. So out of these two, okay, out of the three, two will cancel, one will be left. Which one is that? A plus. When I take this into this, I'll be left with the b plus. When I take this into this, by this, I'll be left with b plus a. When I take this into this, I'll be left with c plus a. Now we can see we got 1 by a plus b plus 1 by b plus c is equal to 2 times 1 by c plus a. So a plus b, c plus a, that means this one are in H, AP, reciprocals are in H. So 1 by a plus b, 1 by c plus a, and 1 by b plus c are in A. The reverse order also can be in AP. Okay. One may say, how do you get idea which option is correct? Okay, if you don't want to do like this, you have to check from the options. If you want, you can take some numbers also check. Somebody can take a square, b square, c square as I don't know. You can take 4, 9, and some 14. Then corresponding ABC. Of course, they will be thirds, not so nice. You cannot take equal numbers because then all looks like correct. Okay. 0, I don't know. You can take 5, 0, minus 5. No, it's not an FP, right? 5, 0, minus 5. Okay, think of some numbers which are conveniently not only a square, b square, c square, and AP, ABs are integers at least. Maybe possible to find them and then check that. If you at all you want to do from the options. Otherwise, you have to take each option and see. Simplify that they are in AP whether you are getting a square, b square, c square in AP or not, something of that sort. Up to 40, any doubt?
So 36.
36. Sum and product of first three terms of an AP are 33, 115, and the value of the 11th term is. Okay. Is it calculation is long lengthy? What happened to you?
So I'm getting minus 29.
When you are taking a minus d, a and a plus d as the first the terms, then don't think a is the first term. A minus d is the first term. Generally, when you take three numbers are in AP, we'll take a minus d, a plus d. Okay, so let us take 33 and this 115.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Got it now? Understood what? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Anything else up to 40? Anybody? I'm ready to scroll back. If you want any particular question, I can show you.
So 40.
30?
30.
38. By the way, 37, we discussed about a particular property about some product is constant about arithmetic mean, harmonic mean. I don't think 37 is based on that. Okay. You really have to find the all details of AP, all details of HP and find it. Am I correct? 37?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because the numbers are not anything close of that sort. Somebody asked for 38, right? Okay. Whenever you take any two APs forever infinite series, I don't know whether the common terms will be there or not. That I cannot say. But if there is one common term, okay, there will be further common terms. And if you observe them carefully, the LCM of the common difference of new AP will be LCM of the two common differences here. Okay. Why? You have a set of numbers, and you have a set of numbers. But somehow this number and the number here are same. Here you are keep on adding D1 and here you are keeping on adding D2. So after some time, if you want them to be equal, a multiple of this, some other multiple of this should be equal. So sum n into d1 should be same as sum m into d2, right? Or you can say keep on adding d1, here keep on adding d2. When you add, if you take LCM of these two, basically any multiple of this, if you add, you will get a term in this. Any multiple of this you add, you will get a term in this. If those two terms are same and when you subtract from them, the difference here should be multiple of d1 and the difference here should be multiple of d2 and they should be same. So that should be common multiple of d1 and d2, which is the least common multiple. Whether you recognize or not, when you look at the question, you'll be able to make out. The sum of the first 20 common terms. What is the first common term? You can easily see 11. One may ask, where is the next common term? Right. 3, 7, 11, 15, 1, 6, 11, 16. Okay, here 11 and 11 happen to be third term, but there is not a big deal. You can remove 3, then also still the question is same. Anyway, we have 11 here.
Equate n1th term and n2th term, sir.
You want to equate mth term here, nth term here.
N1th term here, n2th term here.
Sorry, I did not get what you're saying.
Equate n1th term in the first sequence and n2th term in the second sequence, sir. You'll get relation between n1 and n2.
Yeah, like that also you can do it. Basically, I'm
That's
finding
easy.
general term in the first one, general term in the second one, and you want to equate it. Okay, but both are not nth term. You want to take Tm here and a Tn here, and you want to find a relation. But I want to show something. 11 is first common term, you can see. Here, if you want to get further terms, you are adding 4. Here, if you want to add further terms, you are adding 5. So when you keep on adding any
20.
multiple of 4, yeah, when you keep on adding any multiple of 4, you'll get terms in the first sequence. When you keep on adding any multiple of 5, you'll get terms in the second sequence. If you want a common term, you have to add multiple of 4 and multiple of 5, which is multiple of 20. So obviously, next one is 31, next one is 51. So I'm able to tell the common terms themselves are forming a one fresh AP. This first term 11, common difference 20, you can find it. You can find sum of n terms or something, whatever, 20 terms or something. That is one way. Otherwise, somebody can find nth term here, nth term here, and you could do it also. Is it okay for 38?
Yes, sir.
And we can even add quickly because this is a 10 plus 1, this is 30 plus 1, this is 50 plus 1, 70 plus 1. So these are like odd numbers, 1, 3, 5. So first 20 odd numbers will be 20 square. 20 square into 0. So 4000 plus 1111 extra 20 times 4020 should become. Up to 40, anything else? 40. Yeah, sometimes you'll get very easy question also. Look at 39, it's a very easy question, right? A3 by A1 is common ratio square and A9 by A5 is common ratio power 4. It will be 25 square straight away, 5 power 4. Yeah, somebody is asking 40. This series is, they're adding a negative term, so it's a decreasing one. Okay. You have to do by trial and error only. I'm sure you have done probability, random variables, and all. Binomial distribution, these questions are there. What is the least number of times an experiment should be done so that the
Sir, otherwise the 40 only no.
Which one is positive you're saying?
40 only.
40, you have to 40 will get directly inequality, then it is easy.
GP.
Yeah,
Left.
no, I'm not talking about now. After simplifying what is coming, I want to see that. Okay. Anyway, the first time is one common, including one, they are not in GP, right? Excluding one, they are in GP. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you take one. After that, it is a common ratio is plus 1 by 3. Okay. And up to n minus 1 they want. So number of terms are n minus 1. So 1 plus first term is minus 2 by 3. Next 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. So 1 minus minus 2 by 3 whole power n minus 1 by 1 minus minus 2 by 3. that should be less than 1 by 100. After which, and at least 1, because for if you take infinity also it will be less than 1 by 100 or very large. Okay, so 1 is not included. What happened?
R 1 by 3. R, sir.
R is 1 by 3. Yes, thank you. The common ratio is plus 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. This 2 by 3 will cancel. I'll get a minus 1 minus 1 plus minus 2 by 3 whole power n minus 1 is less than 1 by 100. This
That
and
one
this
also
will
1 by
cancel.
3. 1 by 3 power n minus.
Yeah, this one. Thank you. Plus 1. Okay, now it is simple. You'll get simply 3 power n minus 1 should be greater than 100. You don't have to do by trial and error. You know, 3 power 4 is 81 and 3 power 5
Sir,
is
3 power 1 minus 1.
No, I brought this
Okay,
one
sure.
here and under it. Okay. So n minus 1 should be greater than 4. Or you can say greater than or equal to 5. Either way is okay. You get n greater than or equal to 6. So the least possible n is 6. So nothing, just we real except one, rest of them are in GP, find, and they are not n terms, they are n minus 1 terms. Solve. Anything else up to 40? Anybody? You want me to
Sir,
scroll
40.
back? 40?
1.
41, I'll discuss. I'm asking up to 40 any doubt. 21 to 40, all doubts are clear, right? Anyway, just 1 minute. Everybody, please put on your videos. Jayvardhan, are you there in the class?
Yes, sir.
Are you trying all these questions or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, for everybody in this class, whether you want to get a very good IIT rank, you want to join IIT Mumbai Computer Science, or any other IIT rank or mains rank, or you may say, something is too difficult, IIT is very difficult for me, or getting a very good, whatever you feel, you are going to write any engineering entrance exam, right? Okay. So it may be MSET, it may be some deemed university entrance exam, or JEE mains, JEE advanced, BITSAT, or all of them. This revision program is there. And past year mains questions are not only for mains, they're also useful for your MSET and BITSAT and other exams. Okay, except for JEE advanced to some extent, it is useful for all other exams. So you should take seriously. Now you cannot say these are difficult, I cannot do, and all that. Already we are doing second time kind of thing. Okay, formulas are there. You try. If you don't get, we'll discuss, but you cannot neglect. I want everybody to try seriously and write solutions properly in notebook in order. Who is that boy? It's okay. Okay, for few days I will not be taking KVPY classes, so just to give me 2 minutes, so you just try some question. I will just put a message and continue.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pranay, I'm listening. I'm listening.
Sir, after 2 classes yesterday, you are conducted another doubts class, sir.
Yeah, yes, for the regular seniors, around 3 weeks back, we started this, that once in a week, 1 hour will be there on the Zoom. Okay. Teacher will be there with a Zoom ID. Student can log in anytime and ask doubt. Like a doubt session, like counseling hours kind of.
Sir, means you didn't
Not for you.
KVPY doubts, sir.
No. You're not getting what I'm saying. Just a minute. I'll put a message. I'll come back to you. Try some question in the moment. Yeah. So what I was saying is, I was actually having for them 4 to 5 a regular doubts class where they can come and ask any doubt to me during that 1 hour. In that, I was just carrying on the KVPY class till 4:30. After 4:30, I said 4:30 to 5, they can ask any other doubt. Understand?
Okay.
Sir, why for us not there?
Are you not there? Because in the class only we are clarifying doubts. Okay. Still, you want to ask any doubts, anytime you can call me. You can even make a video call and I'll teach you.
Yes.
Okay. Any one of you, any doubt, you can send a message in WhatsApp. I'll reply. In our regular class, you can ask. Okay. After doing all the regular work, you have a lot of time and you are doing something else. You want, please feel you can send message. You can arrange a video call and you can teach you also. Not a problem. Because some parents want or something. Overall, we kept it. We thought at least we'll see for few weeks how the things will go. But to be frank, most of the time teachers are simply sitting free for that 1 hour. Hardly 4, 5, 10, or 9 students are coming once in a while and asking doubt. But at least from our side, we wanted to provide an opportunity where somebody want to ask personally some doubt or some theory, we can teach. All right. Up to 40. I hope everybody has done, no doubt, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. 41 to 45. Somebody asked 41. Let me explain that. 41, the common ratio is minus 3/4. So because of that, you are adding one time positive number, one time negative number, one time positive number, one time negative number. So the series is increasing and decreasing, increasing and decreasing. So that the one number can be a slight, somebody can be wrong in the answer, I feel. Okay, that's why somebody may be asking doubt. Let us check on that. They want
The
Bn.
odd number they gave us.
Yeah. Because we'll discuss it. Okay. They want Bn should be greater than An for all n greater than equal to P. What is that P? That is the question. Okay. Yeah. So for all n greater than equal to P, what is that? They also ask least odd natural number. Whether they did not ask odd also, we'll see what happens. Bn is 1 minus An. That should be greater than An. That means you bring this side 1 greater than 2An. An should be less than 1/2. Basically, that's the question. Okay. What is An? Sum of n terms of a GP with first term 3/4, common ratio minus 3/4. So 3/4 into 1 minus 3/4 whole power n by 1 minus 3/4. That should be less than 1/2. Okay. They already mentioned n is odd, so it is easier, but otherwise we have to check on that also, right? That is about P only. N can be even or odd. Okay. They are looking for odd number of P. Okay. So n can be even or odd. So we'll take two cases. N is even, n is odd. Even before that, this is 1/4. Okay. Sorry, 7/4. And 4 will cancel. I get 3/7. Goes there, it becomes 7/6. I'll get 1 minus 3/4 whole power and 7/6. If I bring this one here, minus 3 by 4 whole power n should be less than minus 1 by 6. Is it right? No. This is 7 by 4, 3 by 7. This is 7 by 6. Correct? I brought here, it should be greater than, sorry. Greater than minus 1 by 6. Okay. The thing is, this is already true for n equal to 2, 4, everything. For every even number, it is correct because this is positive, this is negative, positive is greater than negative. So when n is even, everything is right. N equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, okay, 12. For all even numbers, the given statement that an is less than 1 by 2, this is true. For bn less than a, greater than a. Among odd numbers, it is true for some odd numbers and some even numbers. Okay, so what is that? If n is odd, it will become minus 3 by 4 whole power n. Minus will become common, greater than minus 1 by 6. Now minus minus when it cancel, inequality changes, we'll get 3 by 4 whole power n should be greater than 1 by 6. If I reverse it or at least keep it, do cross multiplication, I'll get 4 power n should be less than 6 times 3 power n. I can get 4 by 3 whole power n also. This only will do by trial and error method. Okay, I'm sure you have done binomial distribution. There are some questions where what is the least value of n so that the probability for this many success is greater than 1 by 2 or something. Where you will get that inequality, you cannot tell exact answer. You have to go do by trial and error.
Otherwise, 6 we can write 2 into 3. No?
6 we can write 2 into 3. After that, what?
4 can be written as 2 power 2n.
Okay, still you have to take n and compare, na?
But means this will
Is it
be
easier? You get 2
um,
power 2n minus 1 is less than, let me see what happens. We'll get 2 power 2n minus 1 is less than 3 power n plus 1. Okay, you are saying putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that comparison is easier.
previous one this may be just a t.
Up to you, whichever you feel. Compared to this, you are saying this is easier. Okay, anyway, after all, anyway, you have to do a trial and error method. But let us say in the beginning, this is small and this is big.
Sir,
Yes, please.
3 by
This
4 whole power.
is less than. Yeah, this is greater. Thank you. I said, but I did not write it. When you remove minus, greater than will become less than. Then, okay. So initially, this is smaller. Only after some time, it will be greater. And then I have to check odd numbers only. I don't have to check even numbers. Okay. So I can even draw the graph and see where they're intersecting roughly. But anyway, n equal to 1, you'll get 4 here and 18 here. Not okay. I'm talking about this. Maybe I can write right there. 4 power n, 6 into 3 power n. When you take n equal to 1, this is 4, this is 18. When you take 2, 16 and 54. 3, this is 64, that is 108. 4, this is 256, that is 81 into 6. 486. When I take 5, 1024. 3 power 5 is 243. 243 into 6, 6 3s are 88.
Logs it will be more easy.
Which one?
Considering logarithm means applying
Yeah.
logarithm on both sides, it will be easy.
We will get a log 6 by log 4 minus log 3. But you have to know log 2, log 3 values now. How are you going to do it?
Log value
Are you using in chemistry or somewhere so much?
and many
Yes,
times
sir.
for pH values.
Achha, you use it. Okay. So if you know log 4 and log 3, even if you take base 10 also, according to your convenience, you can check on that also. Okay. You are using in chemistry. I don't use so much, so I don't know log 4 all the time. Okay. Yeah, you can do it. Okay. Anyway, so somebody is saying
Problem
you
will
can
be
use.
there if the n value is 27 or 28 like that.
Achha. Anyway, somebody is saying this is more convenient. You can check on that also. Okay. Because only comparing 2 and 3, you don't have to multiply this kind of calculation. Maybe that's why he said. We'll try to do that also. 2 power 2n minus 1 and 3 power n plus 1. When you take 1, it is 2 and this is 3 square. When you take 2, this is 2 cube and this is 3 cube. And 2 power 4 and 3 power, no, not 2 power 5 and 3 power 4. 2 power 7, 2 power 9, 2 power 11. This is 3 power 5, 3 power 6, 3 power 7. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, maybe comparison is easy here because you know all the powers of 2. This is 2, this is 8, this is 32, this is 128, this is 512, this is 2048. This one is 243, 42 is 729. What is 729 into 3? Some 2100 odd. You can see this is more than this. That is where the till the previous number, this is greater than this. No, wait. Even the next number I have to go. The next number I have to go.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Till now this is less than this. We want to be greater. So when you take 7, I have to multiply with another 4 here. It will 4000 odd. Whereas this will be 3 power 8 only. So I have to multiply with one more.
Definitely.
That will be $6,000. 2100 into 3, 6,000. Still 4,000 is less than 6,000. No? What happened?
Sir, 8,000, sir. We should do 4 times, sir. 2 square into 2.
Okay. This is 4 times, it will be 8,000. Yes, thank you. So this 8,000, this 6,000, that is where it is crossing. Yeah. So if you basically it is trial and error. Either use log, apply log, and you will get and should be greater than something, and you know the values. If not, you have to do trial and error for this or for this, where you keep on putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 till sometime the reverse inequality is 2. There's a number after which this inequality is 2. So you are getting n should be greater than or equal to 7 here for this. Okay. So if you combine this and this together, okay, this statement is true for what? It is true for 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, so on. Okay. It is true for 2 also, 4 also, 6 also. After that, everything. Okay. This will cover greater than equal to 7 all odd numbers. This will cover all the even numbers after 6. So if they did not say odd number, if they say it is p is an integer such that the statement is true for all and greater than equal to p, your answer is actually 6. Okay. If they said least odd number, then it should be 7. Is this okay?
Yes.
Okay. But what is more nice question is, I can say another way, that among the first 20 natural numbers, or how many natural numbers this inequality is true? What is the sum of them or something? They can ask. Let us see. Then you have to know that all the even numbers it is true, plus some odd numbers it is true. Understand what I'm saying?
Sir, can you repeat?
I'm saying I'll change the question. Bn is greater than an. For how many natural numbers in 1 to 20 this statement is true? Okay. Then people should know that for every even number it is true. That will be 10 numbers, and 7, 9, and all they have to add whatever it is, something of that. So that basically these both cases they should know. That is my point. Otherwise, if somebody did not even notice this, still if they solve only this odd part, they'll get greater than equal to 7. Now answer will come, because in the question they said it is odd. If let's say the word odd is removed in the question, actual answer is 6, not 7. Okay. Anyway, anybody still 41? Is it clear? Whoever has doubt, or anybody still doubt is left?
Clear.
Clear. Okay. Up to 45. Anybody has any other doubt?
Sir, 42.
42. Okay. In an increasing GP, means common ratio is positive and all terms should be positive. or first term. Anyway, the sum of the first and sixth term is 66. The product of second and the fifth term is 128. Okay, that. I don't know about your ASB campus that you are in first year, or the situation, boards and all. The regular seniors in Sankarampattam campus, because we were not using boards for 6 months or so, they are not getting erased when we erase. Okay, it's taking half of the class time is going for erasing the board first, than teaching. Okay, 42. Then increasing geometric series, the sum of first and sixth term is 66. Okay, a plus ar power 5 is 66. Product of second and fifth term, ar into ar power 4 is 128. What is sum of the first six terms? S6 is how much? Okay, either I can take like this, or I can take them as ar cube, ar power 5, a by r square, and a by r, a by r cube, a by r power 5. I can take first term, second term, third, fourth, 5, 6 also. In that case, when you multiply second and fifth, directly r cube will cancel. We'll get a square is 128. We'll get a value. Okay. Correct. Second and fifth. Okay. Let me just try with this. 128 should be second term into fifth term, which is a by r. That is a square will come. So a is root 128. And is the directly answer? They want sum. Okay, fine. Sum of all these things. So I have to know r value also. First and fifth term, first and sixth term. So that is a by r power 5 plus ar power 5 is equal to 66. If I substitute root 128 and solve, some quadratic equation will come.
Sir, first method is
What are you saying?
first method is easy, sir, compared to this.
Okay, first method is easy. I should just take a common and eliminate it. Okay.
Sir,
So-
substitute A in that second equation, sir. We'll get a quadratic equation A. That is simple.
This one you're saying, continue with this. Okay,
Means not that one, sir.
previous one.
Yes, means r per 5 equal to 128 by A square, sir.
R power 5 is 125 by a square. Yes, correct. Oh, you instead of getting r power 5, anything is okay. Either you take r power 5 or this is not a big problem. You are saying basically a square is you want to avoid r power 5, right?
Yes, sir, that's it.
R power 5, what you want to write?
Sir, 128 by A square
How?
from second equation. Second, AR into A into R power 4 equal to 128.
Oh, after getting a value, you want to put it here, you are saying.
Yes.
Okay, you are saying use this method also. That a is different, this a is different. You cannot put this a there.
No, sir. First method is there, no, sir.
Okay, this is method 2.
R per
This is
R
method
per
2.
5 is there, no.
Oh, you want to eliminate? Understood what I'm saying. Okay, that's what that boy is also saying, because a and r power 5 are like variables you want to treat it. Okay, basically, this is like the one thing, and this is like one. So eliminate r power 5, you'll get a, or eliminate a, you'll get r power 5. Got it. So this can be written as directly you can write A into AR power 5 is 128. This AR power 5 you can write as 66 minus A. Yeah, this is easy to solve. That. You're right. So A square minus 66A plus 128 equal to 0. 64
and
and
2.
Two,
yeah,
sir.
age. Okay. A can be 64 or 2. If you put A value, you'll get the corresponding R value. Right? If you put A value, you'll get R value. And you know, R should be more than 1 for it to be increasing. Is this okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so whoever asked out, you can also do from this, but this is more easy. AR power 5, here also AR power 5 is there. Just substitute it, got A value. Okay, 40. Up to 45. Anybody, any other doubt? I hope all of you know how to do 45, that model question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody can multiply with some 10 and subtract to the series, or somebody can take 7 common, multiply with 9 and divide with 9. You are going to get 0 0.9, 0 0.99, 0 0.999. You will get 9 by 10, 99 by 100, 999 by 1000. You can write it a difference of 2 GPs. You will get something like 1 minus 1 by 10, 1 minus 1 by 100, 1 minus 1 by 1000. You can do like that.
Sir, once again can repeat, sir.
Okay, I'll write it down. You want 0.7 plus 0.77 plus 0.777. If somebody asks you what kind of series it is not AP, GP, HP, not any series. Because this minus this is not same as this minus this by this is not same as this by this. Reciprocal also will not come. It is actually a difference of 2 GPs, or you can take a GP plus a constant. It is that type. When I told about GP, I told you take a GP and add a number. You will not be able to find which series it is, but you can find sum of n terms. Okay, this is that type of question. So one method is you can take 7 common, and then I'll divide with 9, multiply with 9. So this will be 0 0.9, this will be 0 0.99, this will be 0 0.999. So once it is 9, it's easy because 9 by 10 I can write 1 minus 1 by 10. This is 99 by 100, I can write 1 minus 1 by 100. This is 999, I can write 1 minus 1 by 1000. So all the ones you add, you get 20. All these are GP. You can easily see here, it is actually GP plus a constant. These are all GP and one number is added. Okay, so that is one way to do it.
Sir, 43 doubts.
Yeah, I'll discuss. Another is if I multiply 10 and subtract, what will happen? This is a better method, but let us see. This is S. What a 10s? You are going to get 7, 7.7, 7.77, so on. You have to look at the last terms carefully. From this, if you subtract, I'll get minus. And I want to subtract like this. I'll get 7. 7.7 minus 0.7 is also 7. 7.77 minus this. Oh, that is also 7. I'm getting a lot of 7s. Except the last term, I'll get minus, that will be 7.7777, some 9 times, 10 times, whatever, 20 times or something. This answer is 7 times 19 or something. How many times? 19 times or 20 times, including this. Okay. Only this one number, what it is. Only that one number, what it is. For example, if somebody asks you 0.777, so on up to 7, 20 times, this itself is a GP, by the way. How? You can write this as 0.7 plus 0.07 plus 0.007 plus 0.007, so on. Like that 20 times. What is the first term? 0.7. What is the common ratio? 1 by 10. You can find sum of 20 terms of such type. You will get some answer. But more easier, take 7 common, multiply with 9, divide with 9. You are going to get 9.9999999. You can tell what is the term more easy. But otherwise, as I said right in the beginning, take 7 common, multiply with 9, divide with 9, that is more easier. Many of you done like that only?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 45 is easy. Use take 7 common, multiply with 9, divide with 9, and then each term we write it as 1 minus. Okay, you're asking 43.
Yes.
Okay. F of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. You know that is only possible for a power x.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is that a power x? Is it 2 power x or 3 power x or 5 power x? You can easily understand it must be 2 power x.
Yes, sir. 2 power x.
Okay. So now, yeah, they gave f of 1 equal to 2. So it is 2 power x. After that is simply what is there? 2 power, what is changing k? 2 power a plus 1 plus 2 power a plus 2 plus 2 power a plus 3 so on. 2 power a plus 10 is equal to 16 into 2 power 10 minus 1. They want us to equate.
Ah, sir. Understood.
Okay.
Sir, I multiplied. There's a mistake. That's why.
Okay. All right. Oh, time is up. We'll continue tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow also, first I want to clarify your doubts. Okay. So be ready at least up to 75 or something. All right. All if you cross 60, right?
Yes, sir.
Around
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.